When the great military captain of fortune, Bartolomeo Colleoni, passed away in 1475, he left a majority of his estate to the Republic of Venice, on the condition that they erect an equestrian monument in his honor in St. Mark's Square. Well, the Republic agreed, but instead of putting that monument in St. Mark's Square, they put it in front of the Scuola Grande of San Marco. And so the Republic of Venice staged a competition for the contract for this equestrian monument. And that competition was won by Andrea del Verrocchio, the great sculptor from Florence, best known for being the teacher of Leonardo da Vinci. And although Verrocchio never saw the sculpture completed, he created the second greatest equestrian monument of the Renaissance after Donatello's Gatta Melata. And when I say second great equestrian monument of the Renaissance, I'm not implying quality. I'm implying the fact that it was the only other one after Donatello's. But Verrocchio adds a whole other dimension to his equestrian monument by introducing this dramatic movement. You can see Colleoni twisting up there on his horse, holding his great baton, his bastone, and the horse itself positioned up on 3 legs, which is not an easy thing to do from a technical perspective. So if you're in Venice, stop by and pay homage to the great equestrian monument of Bartolomeo Colleoni. And remember to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so that you don't miss out on any of this great content that we're filming here in Italy, accordion music and weddings included, and publishing weekly. And don't forget to buy my latest book, Rebuilding the Renaissance, Volume 1, The Ancient Roman World, available on my website, rockyruggiero.com, and also on Amazon.